Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A1x and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll in order to find sound and vibration. Now let's scroll down again to find this section which is responsible for changing the ringtone and the notification sound, and let me simply tap on the ringtone. Of course you have to give all of the permissions, and here we've been transferred to the list of the system ringtones, so those which are pre-installed here. As you can see, we've got a lot of options to choose from. What is more, at the top we've got the option on this device, which simply means that if you will have any files which are compatible, for example downloaded from the internet, then they will appear right here and you will be able to set them as a ringtone. But let me pick something from those options, and basically if you want to listen how the particular ringtone sounds, simply tap on it. And let me maybe volume it down a little bit. And basically this is how it works. So just find one you'd like to set and make sure that it is marked and go back. And as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which simply means that from now on, your device will use the chosen ringtone, in my case dance, to notify me about the incoming call. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to change the ringtone in your OPPO A1x. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.